friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the 8K video or playback test between the Poco X3 versus the OnePlus Nord device versus Redmi K20 Pro device. Usually the 8K videos will not be supported in the few of the processors so which are close to mid-range segments. So right now I decided to use the one of the mobile phone from the mid-range segment and close to above mid-range segment like the OnePlus Nord and the Redmi K20 Pro device. And here the Poco X3 has a Snapdragon 732G processor, so OnePlus Nord has a 765G processor, and the Redmi K20 Pro which has a Snapdragon 855 processor. So let's see friends, usually the 8K videos will be starting to play from the Snapdragon 855 processor, but just for the comparison purpose I took the Poco X3 and the OnePlus Nord as well. So just to see how much delay there will be there between the Redmi K20 Pro and the other smartphones. So usually the 8K videos will be playing but not that smooth playing in the Poco X3 device and the OnePlus Nord smartphone, but I just want to make sure that how much long delay is possible in both smartphone when you compare with the Redmi K20 Pro device. So this is a 8K video. Usually most of the people they don't download and play at all, but in case if you want to try the 8K video in your smartphone whether it supports or not, so try to join in my Telegram group. So there is a link in description as well. So in my Telegram group I did upload the direct 8K video footage, so you can download and try by yourself in the smartphone. So let's get started with the 8K video playback test. As you can see friends, right now it is a Poco X3 and the OnePlus Nord device and the Redmi K20 Pro device, as you can see clearly. And let me try to start the same video from the beginning in all the smartphones. So let me try to start right now. So let me try to start at same time. As you can see here clearly, I'm starting the videos in all the three smartphones at same time. So let's see friends how much difference will be there here in terms of the playing as well. So as you can see, the Redmi K20 Pro is slightly far ahead of the OnePlus Nord device, and the OnePlus Nord is still catching up to that image. So you can clearly see the Redmi K20 Pro is a little bit faster, and we saw the rainbow colors as well in the Redmi K20 Pro, and the OnePlus Nord and still taking the time as well in the OnePlus Nord. And OnePlus Nord now we got the rainbow colors, and then we got in the Poco X3 device. So this is what I'm talking about friends. So usually the 8K video will be playing in the Poco X3 device and OnePlus Nord device, but it's not that accurately playing. So it's a kind of very slow playing the video in both the phones. So usually I would say it's not that 100% supported. So maybe 50% kind of supported in this both smartphones. But overall you can see, let me try to show you quickly the timing of the video in the Redmi K20 Pro. So it's 1 minute exactly. And here I think let me try to rotate the phone. You cannot see the time. So 35 seconds in the OnePlus Nord, and in the Poco X3 it's 36 seconds. So let me try to keep the timing close so you can actually see the difference. So 41 seconds and 39 seconds. So you can see friends the timing difference 45 and 41. So 4 seconds difference is there between OnePlus Nord and the Poco X3 device, and the Redmi K20 Pro and the OnePlus Nord. Let me try to keep it side by side so you can actually see the timings. So 1 minute 37 seconds and 53 seconds. So overall there is a close to 50 seconds difference between the Redmi K20 Pro and the OnePlus Nord smartphone. So this is a quick 8K video playback test which I thought of doing when comparing this kind of three different smartphones and different process as well. So now most of the users they got to know that to support the 8K video footage, the smartphone must have the very high-end processor that should be close to Snapdragon 855 processor friends. So definitely I did try the same kind of 8K video playing in the Honor 9X device which has a Kirin 810 processor. So in the Kirin 810 processor did not work well, but overall the 8K video is playing very smooth starting from the Snapdragon 855 processor. So I do not have the Snapdragon 845, so that's why I did not check in the 845. So but in the 855 it supports perfectly. So let me try to fast forward. As you can see, so even when I'm forwarding, it's not taking much time to load. It's loading as normal video only. As you can see friends, it's not taking any time in terms of the loading as well. So everything is very smooth animations in the Redmi K20 Pro device. Overall it's very good. in the Redmi K20 Pro phone because of having the Snapdragon 855 processor, so which is very powerful and very good to play the 8K video footage without any interruption. And now let me take the OnePlus Nord device. So even the OnePlus Nord has a Snapdragon 765G processor, which is not that close to Snapdragon 855, friends. So definitely there is a huge difference gap between 865G and the 855 processors. So right now let me try to zoom, let me try to fast forward and back forward. As you can see here, it's slowly happening. It's not that fast. You can see the slowness while playing this video right now. It's very slow. So this is the overall difference from the OnePlus Nord to the Redmi K20 Pro device, friends. And in case if you're wondering whether your phone actually supports the 8K video or not, so it's the time to check by joining in my Telegram group and do download the 8K video footage. So by downloading that, you can check whether your phone actually supports the 8K video or not. So right now you can see I'm trying to fast forward, and you can see the slowly movement in terms of the video. It's not that accurate. So it is a Poco X3 device finally, and as you can see the Poco X3. So let me try to fast forward and backward. As you can see, friends, there's a slow movement while playing this video. So but one thing is that overall the Poco X3 supports the 4K 60 FPS without any problem. So 4K 60 FPS is playing very smooth in the OnePlus Nord and the Poco X3 device. So if you want, I can do that kind of comparisons as well, 4K 60. So this is just the video to demonstrate the 8K video capabilities. So usually the 8K videos will take a lot of space in the phone storage. This video, which is close to 6-minute clip, so 6.22 seconds, as you can see here. So the size of the video is close to 1 GB. So let me try to show you the properties quickly so you can quickly understand the size. So 0.99 GB, and the resolution you can see here, friends, 7680 into 4320. So this is a 8K video resolution. So I think you should imagine this kind of high resolution video and high size. It's very hard to process in the normal range mobile phones. So that's why it's very good necessary to have this kind of Snapdragon 855 processor to support this kind of 8K videos. So maybe in the future we might be having the 8K video songs as well, uploading in the YouTube. So it's better to have the future proof option now itself. And that's it for this video, friends. For more interesting videos, make sure to follow me regularly. For any other doubts, do comment below, and do check the links in description for other things like what wallpapers I'm using in all of my smartphones. You can find very good, interesting, similar kind of wallpapers in all of my phones, which are having this kind of live train and live water dropping as well, as you can see here. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.